it's a main thing in 7 layers. So we all know that physical layer, data link layer, then network layer, transport layer, session layer, application layer. We are having the 7 layers. In that one, the MAC layer we are addressing in a second layer, data link layer. So in here it's producing address in a unique format in each and every data transmission. It's having an address of 12 digits. In first 6 digits we are having the organization based unique ID. So in that ID we can trace the data. We are transferring the data from source to the destination. So in a type we are having the unicast and multicast and broadcast. Unicast is nothing but only one ID. We are having to transfer the data. Then multicast is having the multiple transmission of a data with the different source and destinations. Then broadcast is the multiple range of the data we can transfer from source to the destination. So it's presented in a layer 2. Here we are mentioning the address of the MAC to transfer the data. Layer 3 we are using the network layer. Here we are using the IP address. MAC address as transfer as a IP address. Through that IP we can access the protocol. So in advantages we can having the unique ID. So it's having a simplicity. Likewise it's having the flexibility and then security and the efficiency. So in we can easily secure the data to transfer from source to the destinations. In a flexibility format, we can easily add data from source to the destination. So it's a 12 digit of numbers to trace the data. If we are having any insecure data or we are having any attackers in our mobile data, we can easily trace that in MAC addresses. So each and every addresses having the MAC addresses to transfer the data from a source to the destination. So it's the main thing to transfer the data from broadcast of a 7 layers. In that layer is having the main data to transfer from source to the destination. So if these are all the MAC addresses, 12 digits, and each and it's divided as a 6 digits. It's a type we are having the unicast and multicast. Unicast is nothing but unique ID or a single ID to transfer the data. Like this, multicast is having the multiple destination ports. So these are all the advantages and the types of the MAC. Having disadvantages, the collision and the limited address of the advantages in MAC layer. Having the advantages like security and efficiency, then simplicity and flexibility. It's nothing but easily we can adapt, that is easily we can transmit the data. So it's a simple one, and if data are secured one, it's a security manner. So efficiency we are calculating the delay and the packet size. It's a maximum range of packets is transferred and from source to the destination. So flexibility is easily we can adapt and easily we can add the devices to transfer the packets from source to the destination. So the disadvantages that is taken as a limited address. It's having the limited address only, so we can add the device in limited manner only. So in a collision means the data will be trafficked, that is it's having the it's occurred the congestion. Congestion is nothing but when we are transferring the data from source to the destination, the congestion will be occurred. When the packet size will be increased, when the range of the packets and then bandwidth is increased, that time congestion will be occurred. So the major disadvantages is a collision. That is, data will be created a traffic when we transferring the packets from source to the destination. So we have to avoid. We can reduce this traffic by the control the congestion. Okay. So these are all the main disadvantages of this MAC protocol. So MAC is a main link and a main layer of a data link to create an address. For address, we can transfer the data from source to the destination. So these are all the main thing in a MAC protocols. So it's a second layer where it's presented. So these are all the main things for when we are using this MAC protocol. We are considering things and all the unicast and multicast security and the every data possibilities in a efficient manner. Efficiency is nothing but we are calculating the packet size and delay and queuing, that is queue packets, that is queue length, that is the bandwidth allocation, everything we have to consider. So these are all the main thing in the NAT protocol.